history, all 4 belts in the cruiserweight division will belong proudly around the waist of one man.
PeoplesBox.com, MTK Global, out from London. Terence Crawford, you're supposed to be fighting Jeff Horn. Got a situation with sparring. What's the date that's going to be happening with that fight?
I don't know, we just going week by week, day by day to see, you know, when I can start punching again. Right now, you know, I can't punch right now, so that's where we at.
Doing physical therapy?
Yeah, I'm doing physical therapy and just letting it rest.
Tomorrow night, the main event, how you see it going down?
It's gonna be a good fight, man. I'm just excited to be here to watch.
We just progressed and he wants the winner of that fight. How you see that going about?
It's the mandatory of that fight, so, you know, that's the next fight for him. He already won the fight. Whoever wins this fight gonna be the champion, and I guess they're gonna fight each other.
2 weeks ago, the situation with Canelo, with that tainted meat and everything like that. What are your thoughts on that whole situation?
I don't really know the situation because, you know, I wasn't in his camp, or I don't know if the man was taking anything. I don't know what's in the chicken, but it sounds fishy to me, you know, bluntly. But I don't know, that's not my fight.
A couple last words for fans worldwide.
Stay tuned.
Thank you, sir.
In history, all 4 belts in the cruiserweight division will belong proudly around the waist of one man.